So this is Lee Strauss with the UFOI team. I wanted to go over a couple videos with you really quick. We were just on a 6-day outing in August here. August 2nd through the 3rd, we went to ECETI Ranch. And August 4th through the 5th, we were at Takalak Lake, which is at the base of Mount Adams. And we were there for 2 nights, doing our night watches there as well. And then on the 6th and 7th, we were at Baker Lake, at the foot of Mount Baker. Anyway, we have so much data with the cameras recording things in the night sky. And I wanted to go through some of the video clips of just a portion of what we caught at ECETI and at Takalak Lake. Now, this is not all of the video because it's going to take quite a bit of time to go through 160, I think it's 167 gigs of video. And, you know, today is just the 11th of August. So there's still a bunch of video that has to go over. I would say I'm into about 20% of the video right now. And there's a lot more to go over. Anyway, let's get into this and I'll try to explain what I'm seeing here, and then hopefully I can get some people's response on what they see in the video as well. All right, so the first thing that we got here was this object coming down out of the sky. It's actually wiggling, and this is the first one we noticed doing this motion. And thought that was pretty crazy. Let me get all these people texting me all over the place here. So we've got this object coming down out of the sky that's got this wiggly motion. Now, I've never seen a shooting star do this before at all. So, and the next clip is just it slowed down to 50%, the same thing here. So that's what we got going on there. So you can almost see it frame by frame what it's doing. Now, I've been recording things like this in the night sky for about 7 years, and their shooting stars always go straight. So I don't know what's going on with this wiggly pattern that's there. And I thought this was pretty neat. There's actually a climber up on the mountain. You see the little light here, and that's up there on the false summit of Mount Adams, as seen from James Gillian's ranch there at ECETI. And you see what happens here is this shooting star. Now see, this shooting star is going straight. There's no wiggly. It's just a straight shot right down towards that light. And again, slower speed. This is 50% speed here. And then here we go to the next clip. Another shooting star going at the mountain. Well, what we think is a shooting star could be a craft for all we know. And so there it is, going right into or towards the mountain on the backside of where we're viewing it from. Next clip, here's another wiggly guy going down towards the mountain there. And here we are, slower speed. Another wiggle. I just don't understand that wiggling action going there. And then here's the real good one. Let's just go down to going half speed here, is where it comes into frame. So you can see the motion of the stars versus the motion of this object here going over the top of Mount Adams. Now, this is being viewed from Takalak Lake, which is a lot closer than where James Gillian's ranch views the mountain. Takalak Lake's about 7.7 miles away from the mountain, and at James Gillian's ranch, ECETI, it's about 14 miles away. So you can see that this motion of this object is actually coming around and going towards the mountain. Now I'm going to play it for you at normal speed because it's pretty crazy when you see it here. Now I'll play that again for you real quick. So as you can see, that thing is moving at a good clip and does a turn. It's pretty darn crazy for the distance it's traveled. Next clip here. Let's see what we got. Shooting star. This is what I expect to see from a shooting star. No wiggly motion, pretty much a straight line, but it did go towards the mountain. So that was something I wanted to add in here. And here's one. Now this guy here, I'm going to play for you so you can see it at speed. He's going up and away from Mount Baker. Now you can tell that this is no joke because it's something I didn't reverse. Watch the seconds right here. Watch these seconds, how it goes when I play it. See, it starts at 11 and goes to 14 seconds. So it's actually going away from the mountain. I did not reverse this video. It's going away from the mountain, which is absolutely nutty. There it is again at a slower speed. Here, I'll play that for you. Awesome. Awesome, awesome stuff here. As much evidence as we can get. Now, here's another object going down towards the mountain, and this one's undulating and wiggling too. I don't understand that. As far as I know, shooting stars don't do that. So I don't know what it is we're looking at, but that's pretty crazy. Something is going on in our atmosphere that we don't understand. And here's another wiggly guy here. It's pretty crazy stuff. Going down again towards the mountain. And this is a shooting star right here. We'll play that one for you so you see that thing isn't undulating. But again, it is going down towards the mountain. Now this one I want to talk about here. Let me play it at normal speed for you again. Okay, did you see what happened there? So let me go ahead and play it at half speed. So what I'm seeing here, just to let you guys know, is this object comes into frame and it's doing undulation again. And undulating, 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 undulating. And then right here at this point, I think it realizes it's being tracked, or it decides that it is going to go absolutely hypersonic and go bam, and it just zips right out of sight. That's pretty nuts. This is happening again from ECETI above Mount Adams. There, I'm getting all these texts. It's getting crazy. And I'm just going to try to ignore them and keep going here with this. And once again, this is at 25% speed. Boom, and it's just out of there. So it did change speed. It was undulating along. And right here, it decided that it's going to go hypersonic, and it just zaps right out of sight. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. On this evidence that I've already looked at and put together for you guys to view. I did put another video out. It had some more shooting stars in it. It also talked about the lights seen on the mountain, the car lights and the climbers on Mount Adams, just to show you the contrast and things. If you go to ECETI, ECETI is an awesome place to go. You're going to see a lot of neat stuff in the night sky and record a lot of cool things like I have in the past, as well as on this trip. But just be wary that things are going on the mountain that can be explained. You can look it up on Google Earth to see the roads and the campgrounds that are up there above ECETI. But yes, ECETI is awesome. I definitely recommend you guys going down there, checking out and seeing UFOs for yourselves in the night sky. But just do your homework and make sure what you're looking at, you know, from ECETI, you're going to see the climbing route. Don't be fooled about what people tell you when you go down there. Anyway, that's it. This is Lee Strauss from the UFOY team. Thank you so much for listening. See you guys back here later with some more evidence on this exciting 6-day trip that we took through Washington State, visiting the volcanoes here. Bye.